How are you all? I hope you all are doing great. Today we are going to learn the app family words. Are you all ready to learn with me? Let's get into the video. App, cap, app, lap, app, map, app, nap, app, tap, app, zap. Now let's read the word one more time. But this time you all should repeat after me. Okay? So first I'll say the sound and read the word, and then you all have to repeat after me. Are you all ready? Yes. Let's get started. App, cap. Good. App, lap, app, map, app, nap. Good job. App, tap, app, zap. Good job. This is an activity. I'll show you some pictures and you have to guess what word goes with this picture. Okay, first picture. What is this? Yes, right, you're right. This is map. Map. Good job. Now let's try the second one. What is this? What picture is this? Good. Very good. Cap. Good job. Can you say the sound and read the word? Yes. Cap. Good job. Shall we try with one more picture? Yes. What is this? What picture is this? Yes. What is this? Yes. Nap. Nap. Good job. Now again we are going to read the words what we have learned today. Are you all ready? Yes. This time also I will say the word first and you all have to repeat after me. Are you all ready? Yes. Can we start now? Yes. Now all see the screen. Map, map, map. Now you all say. Good. Cap, cap, cap. Good. Lap, lap, lap. Good. Tap, tap, tap. Good job. Nap, nap, nap. Good. Zap, zap, zap. Good job. You all did so well. Okay, this activity is a quiz. Are you all excited? Yes. So shall we start now? Yes. Now I will ask you the question and you have to answer me. Which of these words means to sleep? The options are lap, nap, map. What is the answer? Yes! The answer is nap. Good job. Nap. Good. And the second question is, which of these words shows the direction? Tap, map, zap. Yes, the answer is map. Map shows us the directions, right? Yes. So, map. Very good. And the last question is, are you all ready? Yes, the question is, which of these is a part of your leg when you sit? The options are cap, tap, lap. What is the answer? Yes, good job. The answer is lap. Lap. You all have done a great job and I'm so proud of you all. Good. So what we have learned today? Today we have learned app family words, right? So practice all the words at your home and don't forget to practice all the sounds which we have learned so far. Okay children, and if you like this video, give a thumbs up and share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe and come back for the next learning video. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.